Welcome back to Meera Education. This is the last question of HTML. We were having 4 questions of project, so this is the last question of project. Today we are going to solve the last question of HTML. So today's question is create a web page about the topic my favorite festival. So let's start without wasting time. I'm opening VS Code, Visual Studio Code, and as you can see, the health was first, safety second, sports was third. Now the fourth is new text file. I'm saving this file with the name festival.html, and I saved, and ship plus exclamation mark. Okay, this is abbreviation to boiler template. If you want to use this, if you don't want to use, you can simply type your code. How you can type your code? Like HTML head, and inside head body. So this is the basic tag. Okay, now let's come to the question. The first task is give the title of web page is my favorite festival. Okay, title should be my favorite festival. So I will use a title tag inside this head tag, and I will write my title. I saved, Ctrl plus S, and run or start debug. Select your browser, and now this is my title is coming here. Okay, now the next task is set a background color to light pink. So back to the code, and in this head I will use style for CSS because we want to set a background color. Type is equals to text // okay, /css, and close your bracket, angular bracket, and inside this you will write body and curly braces, and background color is given light pink, so you will use light pink, and save and refresh your page. Now the light pink is coming. I think there is a mistake in my code. Let me see. Okay, this is the mistake. I saved, and now light pink is coming, and this is title. Okay, now the third point is insert an image of the festival at the top of the page. So we'll take an image. It's image is asking. Okay, so I will take an image, and I will use a code img src means source. Okay, is equals to, and I will take an image from internet. So my favorite festival, suppose my favorite festival is Diwali, so Diwali images. Okay, let me use another browser. Yes, Diwali clip art image. Okay, so there are the images. Let's suppose this is my image. I'm choosing this image. I selected, right click, and I'm using copy image address. Click on copy image address, back to your code, and paste your copy image address here. I saved, back to your browser, and refresh. Now image is coming, but the size of the image and it's coming in the with a background, white background. So how you can do this, how you can change this? It's very simple. This is one I'm showing you one thing. It's very simple to remove your background. You can use a remove bg. This is additional part. If you want to do that, you can use remove background, and if you're having a picture in your system, you can upload. Else, if you are not having an image in your system, you can paste a URL simply and click on OK. It will see the image and it will remove your background. Okay, now you can download this image. Now the image has been downloaded. Okay, and you can paste this image. This is my image. I am writing here Diwali is my picture name, and you can copy this image and paste into your folder on HTML, wherever your folder it is. I paste it. Okay, now what I will do, I will change my src because I am having a picture in my system. Simply I will write diwali.png because the image is having in the same folder where my file is saved. I saved, and I refresh this page. Now you can see me coming. without a background. It's only coming picture without a white background. So looks good, right? Chalo. Next task is, and it should be top of the page. Okay, so we will write a CSS for this, but let me see the first. Apply heading label for the festival name and set its color to purple and align to the center. So we are going to write our inside the body tag. As you know, our festival is Diwali. I saved and I refreshed. Diwali is coming here. Now the question is, it should be in the center and color should be purple. So I will write a CSS code for this. H1 curly braces, the color, let me, color is purple and text align is center. Saved and refreshed. Is coming in the center and text color is purple. Okay, now the next part is festival name. Write at least 2 paragraphs about the festival. Apply bold effect for the important word like celebration and tradition. So you can take these paragraphs from ChatGPT or a Gemini or from any AI or Google. You can search. So let me copy these 2 words. We want these 2 words, and how you can use ChatGPT to take a paragraph, I'm showing you here. It's very simple. Open your browser, type ChatGPT, and here you will write, I want 2 different paragraph using these 2 words, using these two words, and paragraph and in 20 word limit. You can give prompt like this. Okay, so now you can see the festival, the one is here. Let me copy to my code, and inside the after heading 1, use P for paragraph and paste your this paragraph. Okay, the next is here tradition. Copy this and same for this paragraph. Again I will write a code paragraph and I will paste the another paragraph. Okay, now saved. Now the question is, now we are having 2 paragraphs. The question is, make a bold effect to celebration and tradition words. Okay, so the code is here. I will use one more tag, HTML tag called B. So in the first paragraph the celebration is here, so here I will use B. Let me show you first like how the output is coming first, and you will see the difference. Okay, let me refresh it. Now the both paragraphs are coming, but as you can see the celebration is coming in the normal and tradition is coming in the normal font. Okay, let me bold it. Let me use bold to make it bold. Okay, B for bold, and only we want to make a bold this word only. So I'm closing this tag before the another tag. Okay, I saved, and the same thing for this tradition, B, and here I will close this. Okay, I saved and going back and refresh. Now you can see the difference in this paragraph. All the letters, all the words are coming in the different paragraph, but the celebration and tradition is coming in the bold font, bold effect. Okay, now the next part is, insert a horizontal rule for orange color at the end of the page. So it's the last part of this image. Last part of this is, so we are going to use HR tag here, HR, and I'm going to use inline style in this style. Let me assign a height, like I want a 5 pixel of my HR, and the background color should be orange as given in a question. I saved this, back to browser and I refreshed. Now you can see the last line, HR line is coming here. Okay,